with the Mecca Quenya is on a match watch T4 near Shafona no pay. And I met Chami MPP USA phone, maybe you'll be our church will be you. I'm saying you was now Tigan and Sama. Most of the time, no, through social media, and of course the traditional media, and also and until one here now as one to form and the air grounds now, because some of the newspapers they obey their fee, free traditional media, whole social media. No, sometimes either it can be exaggerated, it can be simplified, or it may not reflect the views of the people on ground. So the other one, so only constituency for one you get a better diagnosis of what is going on. But what do I need to see the river social media, the material be an idea, you may be misled. Okay. See, Ubano now outcome by now wouldn't say in the BC and I want to say Abanisa. Oh, that any one was Abanisa. Any one was say so, sure, and your first time. MPP yako primaries yako primaries kwa na and also so if you understand the psychology of the Ghanaian or the MPP delegate, they see anything okay even regardless of somewhere called so near and you said the average MPP delegate, no, when push come to shove, you do the right thing. Okay, that's what it is.
Okay. But as in terms of Bayani attending, come say Ibrahim, I send a message. Yes, it's true. My checking so upper West Achim a year at there so lower West Achim the Yasamanke say or say we should say a worker of a human day a gift to 2 man pofu and I don't do no or ye at the boy Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or say I pay good morning to you. Intimene Madam Chairperson Betra in Kumudino so bet me a live on Facebook, live on YouTube. Okay, Pope so send them a message. Professor William Didwesi don pay good morning to you. Professor Mabel Tiwodi so pay good morning to you. See, ya to abanewi. O share after battle no. Said ya party ni mo aye no a weni age.
Make us many age because say we share the temperature of the campaign by course. Now there's a tool yes see who I'm saying money for you and come here man and a boy home Nanka be say like I said the process no was not peaceful. But Yamia di for fee be a course and you say na oma winning Omuna Babet down months already, and I believe say I am the finest. The price to say because in every democratic process there is going to be a winner and there is going to be losers. It is a lusua. You accept that loss in a way that is dignifying. Now once you are winning, you are magnanimous in your victory. Say every come to the table very easy. Okay. There are things that they call on the MPP. We are coming back and we are coming back strong. What your party penny? The council your party. But by on your girl, we came 50 years and we're the MPP USA so 3 times and 2 times. You know, me council your party penny and munya sam. Me ake here paye going forward. Yes. And na ake here. Again, or suggestion say going forward, no, Dr. Bawumia as a person, the party itself, any individuals within the party in some way. I'm say as MPP follow asudie daeso said yetimi aye no na anu ya aye fe incident free process na bibia aba na wiye no. Number 1 the candidate elect no was asudie also odi the non-winning candidates also was also say almost edi and na the general delegates nso we asudie and na party na nkasa nso e wa asudie na asudie no the supporters of bawumia friends and kunim dia omudi in their celebration Senkaseki trying to revisit in some way to play back all the things that went on. If you say at this point, no selling in a basa the unity na yetena ebe bantem. We who say we are going to all be inclusive. The inclusivity in the bar. And also the bois and unkabum process because in kabum event is a process and you have to go through it. Na adia nasa aka vi say and so ye the bois pa and say obiani hawa o grieve obiani hawa o grieve wa hasemba shino hona na o absorb no process the esini wia owi obu ha solano he is in the state of shock onyen fisa tibianim obu also it will take him months and sana ofisa tibianim. And so when we understand the process of grief near mani ejuma no so beboa eduma bia yen pentam so ntutu America and Chinipa and maybe Mabra, if I go through the grief process.
To me, yes.
And to say, yeah, Shasanya Mana, and it's a bit more affected at Chinipa big time. And to associate that, Bawumia supporters say, yeah, they call the other contenders, supporters, we reach out to them.
Yes.
Because if you have anything, say, Obeba. And yeah, no, see a summons and you don't know Eba. And you very, very important. And because of say they make us a grief process, so about the company in Ayapono, a bit taking the break.
Yes.
And so when you sense that now, money space, money time, now, or
recover we
or go through grief process, we are would need mama a was a party.
Yes.
Massima make can say, I could not say addition. One people Ubia who can say, but yes, see a Tiasian say, and yet addition in answer, yes. And it is yet to sanction in Yasia. If you say, young fear internalize it, yes, to the point where you're very mean to people, you're very do who fell, you're very near dear, ever silly panel before even more. In fact, I monitor social media platforms, and yeah, they who say calm be semblance of calm. Okay, and I hope say young for result, old wounds, and we play back things. See, I did say, and I employee, and we play back to the people. This yes, sir, and on the side of the party also. And when him have party in the calendar of activities
okay.
Because Massima can say party no na ye horse candidates better so near Dakoji
to me.
And so if the horse is sicker, you need to heal the horse before you can saddle the horse. And then party no see as a wardrobe and a wardrobe internal
process
leadership contest so the same free, fair, transparent process a course so ama United to say the presidential primaries no
I have some green
also starting was in branding see primaries started from polling station na hona
mafia
in some number if I because there we social bomb say we muni yento aba yes 5 a.m. anopa and you call a police station election who be do on not say you were film Indeed, the best company for discipline in the party has to start now. It has to start now.
You know you are doing.
The years of indiscipline. Say a man for police constituencies. Now you see maybe the mafia. Yeah, democratic process and koso e wo from ho. E ma obi o wo peppa se o pass o ba mu no be boa no. Yeah man chan the kwan. Say the bid na on contest let the person know say ABCD and disqualify. But say if I qualify e wo polling station I didn't know say uniform because MPB say we on your support. We need to stop. We need to stop. It is for this reason, and I make about the proposal, the bar for constitutional amendment, and they say, officers' elections today. Can see a tuning the same day.
I see. Okay.
Then there are 276 constituencies for presidential.
Polling station
all officers.
Yeah, 2 polling station elections should be all over the country.
Polling station.
Now from polling station to national.
Region, national, the same day.
So
that is our proposal.
Possible.
Possible.
Sir. And I'm better to say.
We will have a national officers ballot, your regional officers ballot, constituency officers ballot, and your police station and electorate coordinators ballot.
Okay.
It will call ballot in university.
Okay. It is any GD Abanwa, Okoni at organizer amount, Owakotuaba, Niama secretary dear, Owakotu, GD is an Etoyaba, Okwa vice sema, Nowakotu, treasure, Nowakotu. TV I'll do a bit to be 5. Sana Mpesi and oh, okay.
Yeah.
See, Obia Nyakwan.
So it's a question of say manipulation or say ma nipa number 1 album nimuno omuye me
was a static free soro at the bathroom. Microphone can say yeah
top down.
Yes, but you can say yeah top down. At the end of the person ye day a leader and bantam. Senebeya you beat me a huano na did not perform because usually so presidential elections are a honor didn't endorse parliamentary didn't within the constituency national and also just national now we say individuals but presidential the next taking a high again elections committee and so almost better massive you say at a point in time or take some decisions we are not your bonjo so cra especially Dr. Bawumia camp or cancer on penema brutal for no and to about that time other camps in the cancer or mum penny Emma Ojitumo again test con Oka Wasam no de list na ma so munyi de ampesa mu yo mu free mu ya o mu yo mu free mu Emma bibie but ene ma mi hu say or they no reduce a lot of noise and yes anka your forsoma omo abruchiri no etoye through proxy and I said test con for na ye o mu free mu ye nyi o mu free mu even though but uncle be betime gina so aka say
ba na obi gina so keka say election
so we share process na obi aka say process no really fine problem bia enim inteno no ye beda nyame asese bibisa esi na ya hwe ye friend say ye camp Dr. Bawumia camp na ya damase especially mo movement trade oh god and any ya sebre mo boy juma papa. You started this long before say you organize the team no krano akoye adwuma no because you believe that yemma no another chance obetimi win the elections no and we are very very important and the mechanism say we a victory for yenyina as a political party yen realign na yen let's forgive each other yeah can in some be ankrofo abi so kaseti aye nyina no yemfa nche nyina yemfa nche na yehu se ye ko elections no na yakọ wini 2028 elections no in a united front they be ameka and I have said it even to a fault to say NDC for omo no so ye do so chen omo e da bia ye bubefu se ye nkoto aba na ye lose elections in 2020 Mahama enya 6.2 million votes. He beaten with 500,000 votes. In 2028 24 Mahama enya 6.3 million votes, but onu BT with 1.7 million votes because in crop former Kumaku 2.7 anko to abano kra. And no say Uncle ebu efu eye party no. But this time around, results are by Ote said Dr. Bawumia na mu can say results a change 61 now onyaye. Uncle ntiase. Ntiase ni nyina ene say Ushe results na odinya 61 na. Na 213 constituencies and winning. Almost every region biano the opponents no in your constituencies or who winning. There are regions went to me the only region would me winning all the constituencies a northern region, northeast and but yakanino regions ninano or lose some constituencies via a year opponent etimi elusu okay a winning. So even though we are 56%, but we need 232 constituents out of 276. Yeah. And what I will say, at least constituencies, kakre bina otimi lusui. But you lusui yensu biano be we say. I say enye massive. Eye kakre bi Ashanti region. Baby a olusu 2 constituencies. 2 no. Dapa hono mankraso de no. Olusu with 20 votes.
Oh, okay. 20
votes. And busum twede omo ade no wan piba e no de onya eye
and in fact abu votes no kana Dr. Bawumia de so mo ma
anka ni nyina no ekọ no ho so eno kire wo sese no party ni nyina no especially constituencies no are resolve se omo de ne baba again this elections no the most difficult elections are Yako as a party, just like 2007 elections in Legon. As I say, elections, Bia Obekobia, Obe say, a Yanipa Mino, a Dianimo, a 2-horse race. When a Yanipa Miansano, the Tosumi and Sano, Sikacha Omunina, in terms of resources, I Juma. Eti Emma, as the elections in difficult. In 2000, in the year 2000, even national elections, Unya. Obi ebeye third force no nya more than 1% of the voter
and runoff
in 2000 Gusitano benya 2% no before ntimi ankroso even though MPs will win but when ntimi ankroso because 2% be efremo in 2007 University of Ghana na President Akufo-Addo, Alan Tramantini, Vice President Aliyu Muhammad. So there are 3-horse race. Even though Nipa 17 are contested, but there Nipa Miensano. Aliyu Muhammad has 6%. It's Akufo-Addo Ntimian Kroso on 47. And Alan 31. And Omama Kanyinano HB 2%. So it tells you that there are a very difficult elections. Now Obia Timia Pulu 18%. Not so. Bawumia timia crossway do 56% and which will say odono ewo from pa again we also extra will say a jumana way animo no edosu yeso chain the no it will say a double up and anything ama na me dey say to me radio say come for be any just the MPP any a flag bearer and national executives after a polling station elections in April and I say March na April you we are a constituency na a region na national interna ya reset party no ejina faako omo betimi asan ba na omo ba omo nso entimi nkota obi o ha obeka so uncontest kura no nso aye na aye context nyina ewie by the end of this year no na yetimi aye meti se nkofo bi ka so especially the NDC ka say around 40% bi ese omo mpe Dr. Bawumia and which was a ponded danger. We decided the question is Mahama enya 95% of NDC voters in 2020 elections. 2019 omu primaries are back be munyina a contest here no. We are 95%. But we lose elections.
Yes.
So it's not really about the percentage. It's about a kwanya obetimia faso aka onkrofo boom. Na kwanya the right message. Yakrade. The nya ekesipa ne se obi abeka say ye ko na yakoye adwuma 2016 debi ameka say elections bie ni ho a Ghana ha both NDC MPP ya prosecute to say 2016 elections na every group of people e message ukozungwa your message ukonofa one village one dam ha you understand so you're very comprehensive again now when a poster boy Dr. Bawumia no dear anymore and until now my NDC for MPS over so but so much beating when a beating Mahama now beating no from 1996 for contested elections for PIM 2024 all contested elections none the name other ballot no so 4 times in 2024 all contested none the name other ballot 4 times about 2012 2016 2020 and over 2024 about a sitting president as former president again and all the year so and which I will say Dr. Bawumia getting 41 no na a miracle and again Ghana ha yabako sam kire say obi bia obi win president bia no obi a na contested that na or hand over the man Rollins hand over the Kufuor because that time no na Kufuor nkwani obi a na hand contest elections na Atamils eba first vice president na oti akonya so olusu ye no na Atamils enya Bawumia Atamils was the 16th vice president oko elections in 2000 and olusu Atamils contested Kufuor in 2004 it you go to 2008 no na obi ni ho a oye old picture ewo ballot no so itina Mills also Mills winning into ono so hand over the man and Mahama so when Akufo-Addo no contest na o hand over ma Akufo-Addo and say ono so any Akufo-Addo contest ya ono so Akufo-Addo hand over ma no it easy bibia pointed to the fact that obetimi appointed ediama obetimi hand over ediama Dr. Bawumia nanso yehia se yebeye adwuma ntemisre omo a mo ti Facebook TikTok na keka ho omo ye huro no ayeye yenyina no yeye kakra mikra de manya kra but at least ene no yenyina ye kan se na me ka se ne o kai akewi kwasiada no ese tucha yes we bitia no ono so ye bitia obi anfa na de nti anafi enene ko nyina no obi ka say wal download videos bebre and you know dey again social media is becoming more dangerous now because man me hono can say hey Kennedy super o wo hu ni video bi o see ya boka say adewe 2015 o nso ene related to even elections about minkai friends apart for yaw chairman na wu ye no e na obetena ase na ne bofu ana ne wura ho a o kasa asem nesu afi na say yes circulator obi so olusu ye na o betena be bia o kasa so yesre say these are afi no dey we ho o so abokagu who say mu grad we sia journalism who is seeing what for the first time is news to the person. The who is there? I 10 years of Krana. I feel who ya. News to you. News to you. So, Mr. say, Omo amutrolu yenyina no why on Monday, why on Sunday, I on Monday. Yes, sir. Enedie. Yanka humbum. The common enemy the NDC. Omo shishi omo. NDC. Omo statement omo issue you know. I said you can share statements exactly the good statement. In fact, I thought say na fake because it didn't look like an NDC statement. And authenticated. I become share statement. I'm share a year. Say hey NDC for us. I didn't boom because you see first na omo can say ejabedom. Ebe kontokwa. Emma, at least especially na ye pronouncement amongst ourselves. Say young coffee soldier phone command. I say me was Wasi constituency. I want me to aba. Any per 1,200. Wouldn't even 50 babuye. Again, yenina obiani mobiao. Yes. Okay. Boho obiani mobia. It is the same. Ye be election na me beto ama Bawumia na uto ama ken na wa bebumi. Na ko na ufie. Obiani mobia. We ponya this NPP the same party. Na dey ba kwa me depa ne se ho. Ye no. asa ye general elections na ye on Saturday no Ghana hanyina na be bia stand still na ade na efe enti ye da eye mpanifo nyina ase ye da party fo nyina ase be bia na wo pɛ no amam me videos bia me post any pictures bia me in the course of the elections I've been taking steps me deleting one after the other. Then me feel say no I'm deleting some of them because saying no excesses are say wa kan no wo ye tia no si ye tia it is say ye wie ofiachi eni abufo no it no ane say nyina yen kan humbum na entimi egu se Ghana because ene obi enra me ko na me wokuma se obi ka tell me say oye adwuma wo kejetia sa new obo friend Dubai no wo say akufo all the time aho no uko washroom na one city and they are 2 cities
na me and video will be a driver news mate you say now akufo all the time to that star 5 cities and do 10 cities so can you understand so the 10 cities ton paper
NDC for anopai na mete video bi so he can say atufo sina bono homodation inflation and I say yeah inflation 2 years running na single digit inflation why 3 months who here the day omu nyina se me boa. So Hostro had to go and pick and tell him say between 2018 and 2019 January to December between January 2018 to December 2019 a single digit throughout for 2 years.
If a dollar cross a koya buy be do 8 cities or so
exactly rising. So sir we no your economic records and then you can who boom you bet media match easily
na Akufo-Addo kasa Saturday na Juno can say we should have Ghanaians know say a MPP policy ni painful decisions they take here no
and I'm enjoying it exactly because you see DDEP no on by some conclude start here no yay and they take the first bold step anka yeta naka external navy yeah internal na anka mobile metima abu mind yeah haircut Eddie Magana for Ekatam say nim the bitter pill no ansa na ye kwa bruchire mo ba na mo conclude abruchire de no it's na ya mo de but Ghana de no so ye ka economic records who say na no me kwotena baby a challenge NDC ni bia so omra ni enhwe 2017 ye bae ejuma ye any 2025 ejuma NDC for year na yan compare Number 2 inflation 15.4 yeah indeed a year in a single digit yeah but 2 GDP growth 3.4 yeah indeed a year 9.2 so you see Osha yeah abolish taxes ma kuma ku 7 or no abolish 3 na so dede a omo ye okrum ha as in sida abolish 3 o ye 17 who can say ye ba ku bi kaya yefo mirika na omuko kumase na nya santi do moni age edru baby e wo man mu omo kraka aba yet so by half yes me kaipa by half e can say person ka ka boy yefo but edru baby na omo maka no e boy yefo na still ka no boy de enu ti na ama yesan e restore
me kaipa
ye ni nyina spare parts you can say taxes or spare parts in Israel.
But anya nko amo de azana kwa kubisa mampani amo de a policy bi ba ya a share import duty no about half
and make an cash
na cash de no am some money 30%. Yes me kai sa de no
ye na o man but you see then na was say you can hubo mo
but for the first time say fuel kwa could do diesel do 23 cedis
yes
emma introduction of gold for you know a side drop here be do I think 8 cities or 7 cities.
Move ko jina 13 for 2 years
yet full transportation so by 15% for the first time.
And then now no me kwatela baby ko kan say you were one of the worst transport ministers in the history of this country. From May last year, you review transport fare bill. Okwa first no Akufo-Addo time okwa Kumasi na 90 cities ene 110 saka senkito express no ene 110 but that time na ye top 14 point eno na make say ye nyina ye de chiche na ka say ye kan ho abumu a the data is there to speak for us. For the last 1 year abai no emfa nurse ni ba ko pe onfa teacher ni ba ko omo ye adwuma for 1 year no kwa tua amuka buso me ba ko ye ba ye no 3 months policy now the buy ya obi adwuma 3 years na etua nka 3 months no by April na ya clear omu ska nyina ma omu ari esu nyina asa for teachers and nurses so eno na make say yanka ye humbom na ye fa cheche na ye hu se ye wo economic records a ye de beko elections na ye betimi e dia win for the last 1 year omu ka so mbe si cheap compound ma ko 600 omontime si ba akokora na so ebisa Felix Kwacho ofosu oso omugu so omoye wontibe ankyere ba akusei but omu ye se omu de budget ato ho se 1 year omu si cheap compound o eno ya a diamond sound 3 rooms na baby a nurses betina baby a omu be OPD eni baby a obi ba omu detain no just 3 rooms omontime si ba akokora eno kyerɛ sɛ yɛ wɔ superior records a yɛbɛtimi de ayɛ but yɛntimi anka ho amumu a sɛ me kɔ me Facebook page na me kɔtro bibi etia obi a ɔno nso bɛba ɛno kwa na ɛbɛ discuss na ndisi for abɛ fuel ɔmo ka sɛ gya bɛtom obi bɛbi di
but the way I no more expect person to come see about you no na nkomanya ho ko
exactly no maka
because the last year you twa mu nyina omunya yi ho
ni bia yes so ɛno nso na wo hwɛ ɛyi na yenim sɛ Dr. Bawumia eni obi abekasa mo obi ankase me na me won camp but ene me MPP ni MPP communicator me ba high that is how you introduce me why introduce me say me adwuma ma Bawumia
it's over
over because say no the overarching intention is say yebe modern na yetimi make sure say yebe kan ho bom na
and ra say na nkrofo thought say bia yebe ba no yeba be twetwe nkrofo ani yi but yeba no ya nya sa
no adwuma na
so by straightforward ko because ni aye nyina ya wie atwa mo ani
percentage ni de aboa ye papa because 232 constituencies are saying onwa again the posturing
what it means they say reconciliation because we don't have more constituencies to go and talk to people because majority of the constituencies already know I endorse
yes because 9 regions Dr. Bawumia winning every single constituency in 9 regions every constituency Bono East Ahafo winning all
constituencies
5 northern regions winning 4 no winning all Upper East and Olusu Binduri and also crowned with about 60 votes per Boku Central will be as Boku and 20 ankoye campaign even ye campaign you crowd
I owe me who ye
nim say national security mo munimu
so say so anko
mo munim say ye can say time okoduru ho no that time na otum for mediation to ko wa enye Kennedy ekoduru ho yamara nko but Brian
to me ready
no only supporters ho nko ho da eti wotimi ko ho a yes wotimi anko
oso akoba bia
eti e kabo mu no ohwe vote na e bai nyina na eno kire say even there first na omututia no they were misinformed omututia you lusu zebila in 2023 lusu zebila lusu binduri nyina because nkofo can be bit kire omo but say omo say na kuma ye fine wo ye campaign in 2024 kra no woko Abugrago Palace any kusasi your friends overload no we kusasi no one no ekotena ase ekoye campaign wo ho so ono no enye ni kuro mu no ni kuro me he wale ono so twi eye north east o three upper east but the tribe for ni bit baby to say bia me tell na me tribe ni bi eti baby a me call ye friends elections with the Bawumia team no only say apart from the fact that who's about Bawumia and Antino ye chiche regions no any constituencies no campaign manager or boy Juma papa Fred operator boy Juma pa into fire identify constituencies now or the work na ho for more than 1 week na oteho electoral area by electoral area me ko I win eko so am dadie mene eya haji ama frempon
okay
because ono na o ye adwuma iti ebe ye easy because ono nim the terrain and me ko kan ho and e ko enti e che ye ho areas me ko ye kusasi area because e hono omo high eye kusasi population of pa ye wie ye no Rocky Chrome no Okay, one director of elections
anti-rigging
exactly for Kenya Japan. Omo amutu abano dodo na etumaye because me no mo kasa tembia me ko ho eko every electoral area. Because omo di Dr. Wami ani asembia o. Onu show baby ase onu pe eye ntokwa. Onko kasa emma obi da. He feels that omayno enyina yenka ehumbom na yenko. Usa abrochire baby abewo ye kuromu. Uni ho town bia baby awo. Se wo ha ukurum no wo hwe ye sa Constitution Review Committee na one of the recommendations of Maria Bano.
Oh, okay.
So you can choose where your hometown is. Say wo ha na se eno no ebe ye wo hometown ai no ano. Nti wo ba oti akrai. Wo ba wo ba ha. So draw the hometown.
Mutakaso Fukumaso.
Yes, because hometown. No atro.
Yeah.
Me dey bia say because me cross Santen Filas.
Yeah.
E wona e wo me. Etete me go bi school nyina ho. Me da so ko ho. There is no single week I mean ko ho. Me ni ye nchifri boko. But e ho no me familiar. Oko boku sisi ya because oh manya ho. Me kwa ka say fi bada ba. Because ho e da ba. So anything na ama eye omo no omo tuma no. Iti ekoye no. The omo man pledge say omo beto am boom. Ampaso mutuma no boom.
Because me can
say the be ka kire omo about him nyina no.
Anya no kre.
Anything na ama boku zone no. O hwe vote a ifiri ho ba ya. Ene kwan a ofa so twi mu a. O hwe eye omo omo lusu ye no. Both Brian and Kennedy and the others no. O ka omo vote nyina boom a. Still watchu omo over 2,000 votes. And no chira say ampa. The people with the Boku zone. Yes, the people on the Boku zone no. If it's and some ye kachire ye no. Anya na no omo hu ye. In the last 1 year, nipa ya kunkum omo ewo Boku echen nipa ya kunkum omo in the last
8 years Akufo-Addo abe.
Yes. Because ye dada omo ene Mahama Nkatro say obey region among.
I saw the region. Obama sports stadium. Obama hospital.
Asa airport.
Asa
airport Bolga. You understand? Asa airport of Bolga. Ene minu ka say watcha 1 year.
Asa northeast Ghana o masas ni so asimodi en so mo region.
Iti Boku Memo region. Iti eno an say no why read 2 budgets. In the 2 budgets no bibia ni wa e kire se Boku yesi hospital ho bibia ni wa e kire se yesi sports stadium ho bibia ni wa e budget no e kire se ye be create region because no say o create region there is a budget for it. I was say o ye na o koye referendum ne keka ho aka ni budget mi no pe na yakoye election na o because eno an say obeko aka the budget minu da be na obe create region
en kan kesno last one or be simu a wonji minye
no because so can say before say ye be create 6 region aka ho you know the kind of worker than Butcher.
Yeah.
It took him like 2 years to do all this work, consultation, find a boundary ni si ni na kika oye ni nyina to the extent that voter region crowd o mu check edu baby because in the voter region within the whole constituency na ebi once ebi once and ebi wesa na omo so pese omo koka omo nuanu mu a omo oti ho enu na ma salva you understand so enu chira say enu no unya meticulousness ubehnya within some years na odiaye. So the good news is that Ghana MPP for delegates nyina no agye to mu say Dr. Bawumia should lead in a 3-horse race. Akufo-Addo a contest here unya nanteni nyina no na umiye mienu pe oni align one koya first one about could be bebo a unya 6% no want me 50%, but the aka nyina na ye 2 na na miasa ni nyina aba na omukambo mu ka omu vote bomu a onya 56% dia e no kire wo se
omu mienu no ye emu nyina aka ni nyina ye less than 50%.
E no kire wo se party na aka won bom. The only thing they say omu contest the elections no yesre Dr. Bawumia is not with anyone. Na koka die ntia wo se to abama e wo constituency ye pe committed people on betimi ayadwuma member can say me na me ye bawumia coordinator ewo me constituency it yes anto me so aba ready because in the constituency no nyom nyina no tuma bawumia and again obi su tuma obi su tuma bawumia not because of who we coordinator no maybe asema mutuna hakan ana say de obi kan ne baby and ote ya to na kuma so and oto ye
but many Ashanti region and Asara coordinator din kuma say Greater Accra votes win by for Dr. Bawumia or this I win the Bema movement before.
Yes.
Say Juma ye ne ha no e kan bi kese pa na Dr. Bawumia enya sa because the last time say na imagine so say na me wan na so say
na if you winning na kan person refer data no cry the constituencies are you winning and no kire wo say ampa there is the possibility say your friends
Greater Accra influence
because you see in Greater Accra and a lose vote me to say we lost a lot of votes in we lost Ashanti region. Ashanti you lose 400,000 votes in the 2024 election.
Okay.
Greater Accra you lose 600,000. But that's some be highlighted because you see Dr. Bawumia winning 19 constituencies in 2023 in Greater Accra. Out of 34. And which I said almost half of the constituencies empeno. So and when I translate it into that vote now in 2024 you lose over 600,000 votes in Greater Accra alone. Now out of the 34 constituencies Dr. Bawumia 32. We need 32 constituencies in Greater Accra. 32 baby and to show hokrano we need you understand should tell you that indeed me who say chairman be one of the constituencies is it Tama East and Atama Central be chairman me who the video no
after elections oh sir
day now I was say the MP Charles Fosse no yes or say the MP Ebejina can say on Bawumia because on also a first time MP and as I say on also say near repeat Bawumia it also repeat. I think that is too extreme. The open abem se ono esefata na se wo se okwa e wo se nyina no ye de chita e de mano se wo se opese wi ne firi ho a memfa Bawumia asem opese odi ne pano e firi ho. The most important thing is say ye pese ye kabom because ene se o ka so wi ne firi ho na wi ne firi ho na ono se ne supporters se ka so mun koto aba odi asam fufuro aba men can say obi bana contest no na fairly obetime lusu
awa yenhwe easy election be ko nyina ama party for no hwe competence share competence
yes
and obi because obi di bana say untimi nya adwuma no a o di adwuma no manu a party no be sat no position
exactly because say obi o competence oye chairman ti and o can say obeye Bawumia adwuma nti na den share ho mini bebre sa but no omunye that competent na but woko constituency no nipa no ese ope Bawumia na woko fo obi fufuro free etiri ebe ye coordinator no so chairman of the constituency one hwe na waye bibietiaw you understand so wo tie mi na wo hwe me a nipa bia wo feel say within your polling station wache onye dwuma so ana afi na waba on sanye dwuma no betime yi na mo nsesa na party na some party for no nyina anim enkrofo constituency polling station national edwuma no betime aye so fortunately at the national level crowd there me den say obie ni ho a we general secretary a omunyina no obie ni ho a seek for re-election general secretary nkwana ase we otuna no ntum say obesaba national chairman e benya ni pafufuro kra because in team ontimi ma chamabute so kan say ono na acting chairman o kan say omukra de
asa ka
empamo munyina enfiri so omo ba no eye national no say wo constituency a hwede si national na hu say omo yi omuti omo ba no omo mu dada no omo yese omo konchanchen na wakọ beru fufuro but in all this no ye di afufuro na eba afufuro na mbe lidi na ediako so who constituency no person vote for national officer hwe nipa o track record a obetimi aye de bia meka asem we NDC for obi obeba be national chairman general secretary mu fani agro general secretary national before so obeba yes our position now why MP da why minister da asa na wetimi aba sa position. That's what they do. Do say nipa ni beba no na oye very good, at least if for nothing at all. So yenhwe nipa omo ewo track record MPP nko na obi MP a on person ko akogina position e on region Aveji obey MP ebe finance committee chair or parliament but ko contesting voter regional chairman of the party who hana we former MP who bitima ko kurum akoye regional chairman ebe boye obe ko regional secretary ahwe omu regional NDC for regional secretary or greater the chai we MP twice ena oja he na osako regional secretary and o matimi abo adwuma omodi abai so position bie ni ho asa o pesa wo som dia position bie ni ho aisa e bie ni ho so aiso. The most important thing is commitment is me pesa me adwuma no o ko ba bi ti say oforukroma. I remember say no more the current former MP no chira okay university with the PhD no obey constituency Dr. Mafu obey constituency chairman so ye pese ye hu bi say chanansan the Musa Dankwa diabolic be Musa Dankwa be ye say MPP ye police executive Jesus ni ure fi say omoma no ena wo university a omo ye kaso no and the MPP dey yes then the NDC then there o then there you crowd why ye be say no say onye NDC dem den there no mo crowd region o tumi nya you for organizer wonya city Ashanti region o go Ashanti region from the national regional chairman to the last person ebia you for say deputy youth organizer the person na first degree region America regional chairman only first degree. Nipa na say o contesting no twi trotro e wa Abobu station. I see. Be say o wan the deputy regional minister. Regional organizer. Isham. No twi trotro wa Abobu station. Awa matime das me ebenti. Oh yes, Musa Dankwa say who share. Yes, say wa we see 40% of MPP delegates JSS and akuta omomeboa. Ebi so ko school da. NDC for a person almost so no qualification now then national officers grant the kita fake degrees central regional chairman kita fake regional chairman fake professor computer so fake MPR fake how work so fake it's fake ni bebre fake and you know because all there correct one no kwa munyimra na I want me that's it.